Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to review your subscribers on YouTube. It's pretty simple and easy. First, open your Chrome. In here, you need to search for youtube.com. In here, click the three dots on the upper right and click for desktop site. In here, tap the three horizontal lines on the upper left and click on YouTube Studio. And once you're in YouTube Studio, under the channel activities, you can review your current subscribers. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.